Hello and welcome to another video of beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss list.position of any Power Query function. So let's jump onto the Power BI and let's open Power Query. So we go to the home tab, transform data, and in this we get the Power Query now. Now we can go to the new source and create a blank query. Now in this blank query, I can have my list and have this function. So what does this function does? So basically this function is find out, if you have a list and you have another list, in that list whether that particular list exists or not and what position it's going to start. And any means it's going to be any. Let's try that out and let's understand that. So we say list dot position of any, and let's give a list. Let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. 3 we have not given, we have given only 4, and let's say find out position of any 2 comma 5. Okay, so 2 comma 5 is not in the sequence, they are at different places, but they are there in the list. Let's say, does it give us the answer? Syntax is correct, it means we have written it correctly. Okay, so it's giving 1, 0 and 1. At the 1 is the first position, any. So any one of them minimum position is coming. Let's say, let's give something which is not present. Still 1. Let's give it 4 here. Let's give only one element. Still 2. Okay. So it means whatever list, the second list you have given, in that it's going to find out the very first element. The moment it find out, that's the index it's going to return. Now how can we use it in context of a table? So let's go to our tables. So let's say there is a column A and there's A1 and A2. So I want to just find out whether A1 contains anything which A2 has. So first thing which I need to do is I need to go to the advanced editor and find out whatever is the last table name. Okay, because I need to treat them as a list, or I can have that, I treat this as a list and this as the column. So then it is not list versus this, that it is list. Then we have different operations. List, we can also search in using that, but because we need list of any, we will go to give list and list. So now we go to add column, say custom column, and we say list dot position of any table name A1 comma table name A2, and we can say position of any. We can keep the name like this. So any of the elements which has been found from the list, it should give us. So ideally the index would be 0 because first element is going to be found out at the first place. So this is how you can use this function. There could be many other utilization which you can do depending on your use case. So go ahead and try this function out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.